How to add GIF to any page on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to teach you how you could add GIF to any page on your Shopify. Now the first thing we're going to do is, of course, we're going to open our store. We're going to click on Online Store, and over here on Themes we're going to click on Customize. Now after that we're going to wait for it to load. While waiting, we're going to select our GIF over here. By going to Giphy, you would be able to select from hundreds and thousands of different GIFs, and you could choose whatever GIF you would like to add to your website. You could also create your own GIF using Canva, then upload it here, and you could use that as well. Now we're going to go with this GIF over here. We're going to click on Embed, and over here it's going to provide us a code that we would be able to use to put into our store over here. Now we're simply going to click on Copy Code and go back to our store over here. You're going to select the location of where you would like your GIF to appear. For example, over here we're going to click on Add Section, and you're going to look for Custom Liquid. We're going to click this, and over here on the left side you would be able to see this section over here. You would be able to add a code by pasting the code that we have copied from Giphy, and just like that we have this code. And as you can see, we have our GIF directly on our homepage over here. You could edit this specific section, like the color scheme, just like this. You could change it up just like that, and after doing that you're simply going to click on back, click on save, just like that. And after that, changes are saved. You're going to click on the three dots, and you're going to click on view. And just like that, we have a GIF on our homepage. You could do this on any page of your Shopify. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.